Brian Bratton has our forecast. I cannot be the only one right now itching for a little sunshine.
I know.
Just a few hours of direct sun would feel very good.
I agree. I went out for a walk this morning and I was hoping for some breaks, but no such luck where I was.
No.
Yeah. I actually think you'll like what's coming though for tomorrow.
Okay.
And then Saturday. Saturday looks like the brightest day.
A nice Friday, Saturday is a perfect mix.
Exactly. Take a look outside right now. You can see what we're talking about. Pretty gray here over Portland, but yes, things are going to improve cloud cover wise. I think tomorrow's partly sunny and then Saturday is mostly sunny. However, the second half of the weekend brings in something different. We've got a system that moves in late Saturday night and lasts into at least part of the day on Sunday, and it'll be a mix of snow and rain depending on where you are. Satellite view shows all the cloud cover in place right now, and we do have a few sprinkles and flakes that are out there, some coming through Androscoggin County back up toward Route 2 around Rumford and Bethel, and then a few more once you get north of Lincoln up into the county. None of this is heavy, but there will be a few flakes and drops this afternoon. 30s in the mountains and far north, most of us in central and southern Maine now in the low and mid 40s. And through the afternoon, we pretty much stay where we are. Lots of clouds, chance for a sprinkle or flurry, but nothing heavy out there. That continues into the evening hours, and then overnight will tend to dry things out. Tomorrow morning, 6 a.m., we're partly cloudy. And I think through the day tomorrow, it's kind of a mix of sunshine and clouds. Temperatures similar to where we've been. We'll be in the lower to mid 40s, 44 in Portland, 42 in Bangor, staying in the 30s in the mountains and up north. Looks really nice for Saturday. It's on the cool side for sure. Our typical high is around 49. We'll only be 44 in Portland, 42 in Bangor, and then the 30s up north. But with the sunshine, I think it'll feel pretty nice on your Saturday. There's the sun you see there. System comes in from the west late Saturday night. I think you get Saturday evening in just fine. And then for Sunday morning, we'll likely have a mix of rain in most of central and southern Maine and snow that starts to switch over farther north. We'll give you a closer look here. This all comes in after midnight, and most of it falls Sunday morning. You can see by the afternoon, central and southern Maine drying out. If you're up in the county, though, it may linger later into the day, but even there, we'll probably mix at least a little bit of rain in. So Todd put this map together this morning, and again, the idea is very little snow along the coastline. It's mostly rain. There could be up to an inch Bangor, Augusta, Lewiston, 1 to 3 inches for the foothills, and then 3 to 6 inches as we see it now up in the mountains and far north. We'll keep an eye on it and make any tweaks between now and the weekend. Seas tomorrow 3 to 4 feet, or today I should say 3 to 4 feet with a northwest wind 10 to 15 knots. So a few flakes and drops today. Temperatures pretty much flat through this whole stretch though, not a whole lot of variation. Sunday morning, that mix that changes over to snow, and then it looks rainy early in the day on Sunday. The afternoon should be somewhat better. But Brian, the big question is, how quickly is this whole system going to move through? I think southern Maine will probably be in decent shape for Sunday afternoon. Okay. Northern and eastern Maine, though, it might linger into Sunday night or even part of Monday. So,
so most of the day there.
On that snow. Yeah.
So if you're up at 2 a.m., as you were just mentioning to me before we came on the air, 2 a.m. it may start, but otherwise we'll enjoy what we can of Sunday.
Exactly.
Ryan, thanks so much.
Yep.